Hi, it's Topman Paul-Dike. If you've been following me, this is how far I've gone using the Python object-oriented programming approach with Tkinter or Tkinter, whatever. So this is what I have right now. I've succeeded in bringing out a picture in my mind, making the app look the way I want it to look, and quite exciting. This particular space here is for feedback to the user, right? Like displaying error messages, giving user warning or success messages. This other one by my left here is for the list itself, the to-do list. The task will be listed here. This space is for optional description that the user might want to add, and this other small space up here is for adding the task itself, right? Now the whole of this work you're seeing here is no HTML, no CSS. They are all completely Python. Even this menu, the colors they have when you hover on them, Python. Exciting, man. This is my first time doing such, and I'm excited. I'm proud of it. If I click exit app, I'll have to confirm or cancel it, and to add, this is what I have in mind. Type in here and click on add. Now nothing is happening, right? That's because I've not implemented the logic. You can see the functions are empty, and that's my next task, right? That's the next thing I'm up to make all of these buttons that you see here function the way I want them to function, right? Feel free to suggest if you think something to be improved on. Let me know, right? Reach out, and I will also be connecting the app to a database. Thank you.